In this demo, I want to show you where are the objects by looking from the browser itself. Let's look at an interesting website. I'm using Chrome browser, and let me show you where are the source code when you get it from web server. And if we go right click on mouse on any area on the web page, and there's a menu come out, and we can hit view page source, and here you will see all this text is actually all the codes that's coming from web server, and all the codes are embedded in HTML. And if I show you, there's code inspector in Chrome, and let me show you how the program, although it's a static page, there's nothing changed there, how it actually enable the program that embedded in the HTML code can interact with the user by having some code already presented inside the source code. And if we go to F12, hit F12 on the keyboard, there's a developer tool, and if you look at on the side, actually when I go mouse over, it actually highlight the area of the code. So let's say if I'm going to look at the code for this title here, then I will go right click and say inspect, and here's the exact code that's showing on the left. And as you may heard, there's a JavaScript or any program embedded in source code. It can manipulate the information inside the web page. So the program might doing something like, okay, changing this title here, then we can do something like this. So once I click away, the information has been modified on the left. And this demonstrates that whatever we modify or make change on the source code, it actually reflect on the web page. So if I'm making some change like this, you can see that actually the program on the page taking care of the calculation somewhere in the code here to reflect the change I'm making on the text box. So if I type in some numbers here, you can look at this is being changed as I'm typing. See, the calculation is actually done on the HTML page somewhere inside the source code. And this is all objects. The browser treat them as objects.